Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add mega menu with image in Shopify Trade Theme. Shopify Trade Theme is one of the most popular and recently created or published free Shopify theme by Shopify, and it's going to be one of the popular free Shopify theme like drone theme. So in this tutorials I'm going to show you how to add mega menu with image and how to work it from the admin panel and how you can customize, and finally I will share the ready code snippet. Looks here is the ready code snippet that you can use for your website. So don't worry about any code snippet or anything, just watch the full video, then you can understand everything very easily. So first of all, I'm going to one of my Shopify store under development, you see, and reload. Okay, and right now going to click on the collection page. You see there is a mega menu with image, but there are no image in others three collection. So first I'm going to show you how you can add images on here. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to go back your Shopify admin panel after completing this full guideline or following this guideline. Then here is the admin panel, then click on product collections. For example, no image right now in bath towel, so here is the find out. Let me find out. Click on the collection and here is the bath towel, and we have to wait. You see there is a meta field name image. Click on it, select image, then simply select this one, click on the done, click on save, and now go back and reload. Click on the collections. Wow, you see how to add image in mega menu collection or in the mega menu. Okay, now we are going to learn how to customize this section based on your requirement. Also, does it work in others style of menu? So go back our admin panel, click on the home and click online store. We have to wait a little bit time, then click customize. Very simple process, you can do it by following this video guideline, because here you will find all the ready code snippet. I'll share the article links in the video description, so don't worry about that. Okay, so here is the customize section, then click on the header. In the header you can see there is a option named menu type. We can select mega menu, drop down or drawer. So first I want to show you its work on drawer, and if I click on here, you see all collection. There is the image, two image, because we have added image in the two collection. Go back, close it. Okay, and if you go back mega menu, you see its work. Also, if you want to remove title, for example hide the collection title when mega menu image is active, we can do it. That's when we can control the title. Looks here. Okay, and then we can add overlay when mega menu is open. We can add overlay or we can hide it. So if we hide, then the overlay will be disabled, but if we enable, then you can see the overlay. Okay, also you can control the menu image size, enable menu border, menu image border color, sticky header, separator line. So it's fully customizable and easy to control. So here is the customize section. Now the main part of this mega menu, how you can add this on your Shopify online store. Okay, to add this or same picture in your Shopify online store, then you have to check out the video description. You will find this article link. Here is the step by step guideline Also you can know the benefit, everything relevant to this video or tutorials. So here is the step-by-step guideline. We have to start from the step 1, create collection meta field. So we have to create a new collection meta field with following properties. Look at very carefully. So go back and click on the settings, then we have to click on the custom data, then collection, and you see we have already added the definition, name image, type file, name space, custom image. Looks here, definition image, file type file. If I click on here, you can understand very easily, name space and key, custom image and file type file. Okay, that's mean we have completed step 1. It's very important to keep the name very 100% similar, no space or no any missing. Okay, then we have to add schema code. So add the following schema code in header liquid. That's mean we have to find out the header.liquid file. So go back our admin panel, click on the themes, click on this 3 dot icon, edit code, and search this file header.liquid. Then find out this line of code. So copy the code, Ctrl F from keyboard, Ctrl V, then press enter. Here is the line of code that we are looking. Then we have to implement the code from here. Here is the ready code. Just click on the copy and paste. So we have already added the code in here following the guideline from this blog post. Then we have to start step 3, create snippet file. First of all, we have to create mega menu image custom.liquid file under the snippet folder. So copy this file name and search it on here, because we have already created a file under snippet folder, mega menu image custom.liquid, and then we have to add the following code. Just click on here to copy, then you can easily add all the code. Then we have to create another snippet file. Okay, so search on it. You see here is the file we have already added or created. Then add this custom code. Then step 4, reflex code in header mega menu. So copy this file title. Okay, header mega menu, open this file and simply reflex all the code. Just copy and select all the code in here and paste the new code that you have copied from here. Okay, then step 5, reflex header.liquid file code. So search it, header.liquid file. Okay, then simply copy all the code and paste it in here. Okay, scroll down. Then step 6, reflex code in header drop down menu. That's mean we have to open header drop down menu. Here is the header drop down menu and reflex the code. You understand? Just remove all previous code and copy from here. Just click on this copy icon and paste it in here. Okay, we have done step 6. Scroll down, and finally step 7, add code in the theme.liquid file. That's mean we have to open theme.liquid file. So search this file. Here is the theme.liquid file and simply add this line of code after start body tag. So find Ctrl F body. Okay, here is the body. Then you see we have already add this line of code. So easy and simple, and then we are done. So I hope you understand everything, how we have added mega menu with image in Shopify, one of the most popular free theme, Trade Theme. And if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have designed your Shopify online store with this Trade Theme, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.